Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your science teacher Saima Zareen. Today we'll start our first lecture from unit number 1 which name is living things. In this lecture I will teach you about living and non-living things. Sequence. The sequence which I shall follow in this lecture will be introduction, next natural objects, then artificial objects, then living things, and at the end non-living things. Now start the lecture. Introduction. In our world, there are a lot of things such as humans, animals, plants, stars, moon, sun, and many more. We can differentiate these things by natural and artificial objects. Natural objects. Natural objects are those which exist by their own, such as trees, plants, animals, stars, moon, sun, and many more. Now, artificial objects. Artificial objects are those which are created by man, such as building in which we live, vehicle which is used to move from one place to another, toys which is used to play with, furniture, and many more. Now, living things. Now we will learn about living things. Living things are those things which can move from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. They breathe and they can grow also, such as human, a man can walk, animal like a dog can run, birds like a parrot can fly, fish like a dolphin can swim. Non-living things. Now we will learn about non-living things. Non-living things are those things which cannot move from one place to another place by their own. They cannot breathe or eat. They cannot grow, such as your pencils, football with which you play, chairs on which you sit, building in which you live, glass, and many others. Home task. I will give you a home task. Open this link and watch a video for more learning. Thank you students. This is our today's lecture. Keep work hard and see you in my next lecture. Allah Hafiz.